Hello, today I would like to present you how to create punch hole in leather strap or in purse like this. So here you can adjust length and you've got that element that is locating this hole, as you can see, just like that, and you can adjust the length. And to make it nicely, we need to create a punch hole. For that operation, you are going to be using a tool like this. Here we've got our punch dies, and by rotating this, you can select the width that you would like to use. And on that side, we also have got the label. So we need to create a pair. So number 4 with number 4, and they go like this. Now we need to find our spot, which is somewhere here. Then we are nicely aligning it. And I will squeeze it. And we've got a beautiful punch hole. Can you see this? And now we've got it perfectly fine. So as you can see, absolutely amazing tool.